Most people think AI will replace jobs, but something strange is happening behind the scenes. Ordinary people, students, freelancers, office workers, even complete beginners, are quietly using AI tools to create new income streams. Some are earning side income. Some are building businesses. And the crazy part, most people still have no idea this shift is happening. Today, I'm showing exactly how people are quietly making money with AI in 2026, and which methods actually make sense. A few years ago, if you wanted to make money online, you needed a skill. Maybe graphic design, maybe coding, maybe marketing. But AI changed something important. Now AI can help people create content faster, write faster, design faster, research faster, and automate work that used to take hours. This doesn't mean AI magically creates money. It means people who know how to use AI are becoming more productive than people who don't. And productivity often becomes income. One of the biggest areas quietly growing right now is AI-assisted content creation. Many people run faceless channels. Some write blogs. Some create social posts. Some build educational videos. They use AI to write ideas, create scripts, generate images, plan content, and speed up production. Years ago, this could take 10 hours. Today, people do it in a fraction of that time. And businesses pay for content, not because AI is special, because attention creates money. Another area is AI-powered freelancing. Imagine a person offering YouTube script writing, resume writing, research, product descriptions, email writing, presentation design. They may use AI behind the scenes to work faster. Clients care about results, not whether you use technology. Some freelancers use AI as a tool to multiply output. Some people create digital products, templates, prompt packs, guides, worksheets, mini courses. Instead of trading time for money, they create once and sell repeatedly. AI helps speed up planning and creation. This model takes work, but many people like it because effort can compound. Now, here's the part people rarely mention. Social media makes everything look easy. You see screenshots, huge income claims, fast success stories. Reality usually looks different. People test, fail, learn, improve, repeat. AI is not a money button. AI is leverage. People still need consistency. The people quietly winning aren't always the smartest. They're often the people experimenting earlier than everyone else. And tomorrow, we're looking at 5 AI side hustles that beginners can start with zero investment. If you're interested in AI, money, and future income trends, follow Biztory.